Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto. And today, guys, we're going to be making a Southern favorite, low carb red rice. This going to be good. Let's get into it, man. All right, guys, start it off. Get you out 4 strips of bacon. Just like this, and we're going to cut it down. Cut it right down the middle. Let's get it in small pieces. This is going to give it a lot of flavor. Pretty much anything with bacon gives flavor, but y'all know what I'm getting at with it. This is going to give it a lot of flavor, so go ahead and cut your bacon up. Once you got your bacon cut up, we'll move on to cutting up the sausages. Alright, guys, moving on. So we're going to go ahead and cut up some sausages. For this part, you can use whatever sausage you like, guys. It's up to you. It's a New Orleans style Cajun smoked sausage, something in those words. But yeah, you can use whatever sausage, whichever flavor style you want to use for the recipe. That'll be entirely up to you. But I used 3 of them, and that seemed to pull the recipe out pretty nice. So yeah, just cut 3 or whatever sausages you like into small pieces like this. Alright, next I'm going to grab you about a quarter of onion. I'm going to cut those up into real small pieces. It don't really matter what sizes you cut them in, however you feel, the texture, however you like your onions. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and cut them up in small pieces just like this. It's going to give it a lot of flavor too, guys. Alright, guys, we're going to go ahead and pull out your pressure cooker and set it on the saute mode. And we're going to saute down all our ingredients. So go ahead and put in your bacon, your sausage, and your onions. Alright, guys, we want to get it all caramelized down, get the flavors out of everything. At this part right here where it jumps, I was having some difficulties with my camera. Only thing you missed was just go ahead and add in your tomato sauce and your tomato paste. That's all happened right there. So go ahead and add that up and start stirring everything together. Alright, guys, here's the star of the show, Palmini. Listen, this is one of the best substitutes for rice that I've tasted. And it's low in carbs, and it doesn't hold the same amount of water as cauliflower rice. Listen, if you guys are used to or have ever used cauliflower rice, you know that it holds a lot of water, and it's very hard to cook with because that water dilutes the taste. With this, you don't get that. It holds some water, but not near as what the cauliflower rice holds. So I know you guys are gonna love it, and I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. Alright, so let's get everything well and incorporated. Get everything stirred up and mixed up well. Then we want to go ahead and put the top on, get it closed. Alright, guys, if I can get this top on. I hate this top. Alright, there it goes. Make sure your steam valve's closed. Okay, guys, you want to go ahead and set your pressure cooker to 20 minutes. And let it cook for the entire 20 minutes. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. There it is, guys. Get the steam out of the way. Look at that texture. If anyone's familiar with red rice or have ever had red rice, this is the closest you're going to get to it on a low carb diet. And I'm satisfied with it. It tastes just like red rice to me. I would love you guys to try it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube for notifications when I upload new low carb videos. Thank you for watching.